Check out this table. That's a beauty. See some paint, some markers, more paint. Look at that snake. That's pretty good, huh? This has obviously become our kids' art table in the playroom. But today I want to tell you how this table has made me hundreds of thousands of dollars online. So how did that table make me hundreds of thousands of dollars online? Well, that's an interesting story. So it all started, and I'll remember the date specifically. It was October 12th of 2012. And the reason I remember is because it was 4 months after my daughter was born. And it was exactly 2 days after my wife's birthday. Well, that's when, on October 12th of 2012, I sat down at that table that I just showed you. It was, at the time, our dining room table. And it was the dining room table in our San Diego apartment. We were living in a small San Diego apartment. We had just moved out of an even smaller San Diego apartment because we were expecting our daughter, who was our first child. So I knew one thing we needed that we didn't have room for in the other smaller apartment was the dining room table. So I went on Craigslist. You know, this was before the Facebook Marketplace days, and found that used table. It was in pretty good shape at the time, and that was our dining room table for a couple of years. But anyways, on October 12th of 2012, that's when I sat down at that dining room table and I cracked open my $249 Lenovo laptop, and I performed that quintessential search, how to make money online, right? Because that was the time that I decided that I was gonna sit down and learn how to make money online or die trying, because I didn't feel like I had any other options. I didn't have thousands to invest in a business. I didn't have a whole lot of time because we had a newborn baby. I was working in the restaurant 50, 60 hours a week. So I knew it had to be online because I couldn't invest in a storefront. I really couldn't invest in inventory. But that's when I sat down at that table and said, let's figure it out. And that's so crucial to your success. You just have to commit to doing it. And luckily I stumbled across affiliate marketing. And over the years, I refined my skills. And luckily in 2016, I was able to walk away from my job in the restaurant industry. And to this day, I'm still a full-time affiliate marketer. I've transitioned over to mostly high-ticket affiliate marketing with programs that are established, programs that have a buzz. And things are going pretty well now. So that's why I created this group or this channel, depending on where you're watching this video, to help you learn the affiliate marketing strategies that I'm using right now. It's my goal to be 100% transparent and show you exactly what's working. I want to help you with step-by-step strategies. I want to help you with mindset. I want to help you simplify the process as well, because that's so key. There's so much information out there. A lot of times you already know everything you need to do. And you just need to whittle it down to the few things that are actually going to move the needle. And that's my goal for you. So take a look around this platform and just remember that if I had a newborn baby and a $240 laptop and a used kitchen table as my desk, and I made it work and was able to quit my job and make more money than I ever thought possible, then you can absolutely do it too. And if you want any help, reach out to me. I'll be happy to answer questions and do anything I can to help you, achieve the goals that you set out to conquer when you decided that you wanted to be a high-ticket affiliate marketer. Also in the description, you'll find a link to my #1 recommended training. It's the #1 program that I'm promoting right now. And if you go through that, if you decide it's for you, I will also follow up with plenty of additional free training to help you out. And once again, then you'll have my email address, so you can just shoot me a response. I check all my emails. I answer all my emails. And that's how you get in touch with me and get those burning questions answered so you can become a successful affiliate marketer. We'll see you soon.